July has been a warm month, with several cloudy damp days, but the sun has never been far away. It's high summer in our garden, and at this time of year it's an extension to our living area. This is the time of year to relax and observe our garden, which has mostly been designed for wildlife. This tall plant is figwort. It's just turned up in our garden, and it certainly attracts the wasps. At this time of the year, the sempervirniums flower, then die.
The small white butterfly has laid its eggs on these nasturtiums.
In our scree garden, the sea holly shouldn't really be here, but the seed arrived here and really thrives in the gravel, so I'll let it flower and the bees love it. I've tried to dig it out over the years, but it just keeps coming back. It's high summer and we'll soon be approaching the middle of July. It's a very hot day today, so all I'm going to do today, I'm going to watch the comings and goings of the various butterflies we seem to be having in the garden. Compared to last year, there's a lot more butterflies around. The buddleia, known as the butterfly bush, is one of their favourite feeding stations. Suddenly, there's a lot of activity in front of our garden shed. The male drones and ants and young queens are leaving their nests to start new colonies. Within an hour, it's all over. Yes, it's been very hot in the garden today, and I'm just glad I'm a bit of north-facing shade. Inside the house, it's also cooler, so Audrey enjoys a bit of Wimbledon. Another beautiful day, perfect for George, Victoria our granddaughter and Daniel our great-grandson to enjoy the time with us. And to meet our new neighbours, Graham, Julie and family. Our small lawn is just large enough to enjoy this family get-together. After the short heat wave, a very welcoming heavy thundery shower, enough to fill up our water butts. But it's short-lived and the very warm weather returns, bringing out all the hot colours of high summer. At the end of May, I planted out these nasturtiums with a view to attracting the small and large white butterflies. Well, it's been a success because as I look around all these leaves here, we're covered in green caterpillars. So my mission has succeeded. Down here, there are a lot more. These are a bit younger. They've also laid their eggs on here, and there's a lot of little caterpillars. So in another week, it'll be covered with them, and the leaves will all be sort of eaten away, but I'm not bothered because that was the idea, to attract the butterflies. It's the time to relax and observe the butterflies that are around in the garden. There are other species about, such as commas and meadow browns, but I didn't manage to film them. There's plenty of dragonflies around the pond, but they are just not landing. Slowly, the days pass, and one day just merges into another, and around the garden, the first sunflowers are opening. It's the end of July, and the garden, it's performing as I expected it would do. The garden now is a blaze of colour, but there's nothing really exciting happening because the weather is just fairly cool and often cloudy. So we're going to end this video now for July, and I'll come back at the end of August and in September.